Have you ever thought about visiting Green Lake State Park in New York?
Well, that's what we're fixing to show you.
Hey y'all, I'm Cole.
And I'm Dawn.
And we're younger every day.
So basically we bought a fifth wheel, sold almost everything we had in Texas, packed up the kids and the dog and headed out.
Now we're exploring the East Coast and we are loving this crazy life. On this channel we share tips and tricks for RV living, do product reviews of stuff we use, and take you on amazing adventures, kind of like this one. So if you're new here, click subscribe and join the younger gang. And don't forget to ring that bell so you never miss out on any of the fun.
If you haven't seen some of our other videos, click right up here to get all caught up.
So we are at Green Lake State Park in somewhere in New York. I don't really know. Fayetteville, okay, Fayetteville, New York. It's a pretty place. This is known for like turquoise colored water in the lake, which it is very pretty. We thought we'd capture this place. The kids have had a lot of fun. I had fun getting in the water. You walked in the water a little.
Yeah, it feels good. A lot of times the water is so cold, it's miserable, but this is nice. I like it.
Kids are out there playing.
With Liz, they're not unsupervised.
Yeah. So we just got to New York a couple days ago and kind of got set up and chilled a little bit at Brenham Beach. Checked out Lake Ontario. It's a pretty easy place to come to from Brenham Beach. It took us about an hour to get here, maybe less, I think.
Yeah, I think it's about 45 minutes.
Yeah. It's a lot of fun though. The kids can play in the water. Why did y'all make a mud pool?
Yep. Yeah. We made a lot of things.
Fun.
We made ourselves dirty.
Yeah, I see that.
Yes, we're making a hole for you.
There's a swim lane and some deeper water for adults and good swimmers. And there's some places that are less deep, more shallow for the kids. That's good.
Yeah, our little ones are able to stand up and they're no problem. It's all blocked off real nice, so that's good.
It's nice. And
they're also lifeguards.
And there are kayaks to rent and some like crystal bottom or clear plastic kayaks you can get so you can see the bottom of the water. Here you can see it a little bit. Let me see. Let's see how clear it is. It's a fun place to visit. I've enjoyed it. The kids have had fun. I enjoyed the cooling off a little bit.
Yeah, it's really nice for like a day trip, just to come hang out, get out of the heat a little bit. It's nice.
Yeah, the cloud cover is good today too. It's kept it a little bit cooler, although the sun was beating down for sure.
When we first got here, yeah, it was pretty warm.
Yeah.
But the water feels good that way.
Yeah. It's $8 to get in per vehicle. People are cooking out, hanging out, playing in the water, laying in the sun. You can bring your dogs as long as you don't bring your dog on the beach or in the water. Well, so far I've been impressed with this lake more than pretty much any other lake I've ever been to. I've found that they're usually murky and nasty on the beach and stuff and rocky. This one's been great and the temperature is nice. It's like 85 degrees today, 82, and sunny with, I don't know, I guess partly cloudy. It's been really good.
So having grown up in Brazil, where I'm used to going to these gorgeous beaches, the lake is really not my thing for the most part. I just don't really care for having to walk on the rocks and all the moss growing everywhere and stuff. But this is nice.
Yeah,
this is nice. I would definitely come back here. I like it.
They have a well-maintained beach. It's dirt, but it's not rocky. It's been very nice. The kids have loved it, you know, walking out into the water and being able to stand up. It's been a lot of fun. It's been relaxing, which is good.
Yeah, it's really nice, and all the trees, it's all so green here. We've been in the desert for a while now, so all the pretty trees and the green grass, it's really nice.
Yeah, no doubt. So we took you on our trip to Green Lake State Park. Now we want to know,
what are some of your ideas for fun things to do in New York State?
Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up and let us know you liked it. Don't forget to click subscribe and join the Younger Gang so you can become a part of our community. And we hope you'll check out some of our other videos right over there. So, going to Brennan Beach in Pulaski, New York, and then going with our friends to Green Lake State Park and finding it's a pretty cool place to chill and relax. It's just another way that we're living younger every day.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.